He was a member of one of the most successful hip-hop groups ever. We are talking about the Fugees. They've sold 30 million albums, but those record sales are not helping one small business owner who claims one of the group's founding members owes him thousands. So we got Tappy Phillips and 7 on his side.
Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Michel.
You may not have heard from this man in a while, but you may have heard his group, the Fugees, and their hit single. Praz's group may be the best-selling hip-hop group in history, but this man says he's no longer a fan.
How much does he owe you?
He owes me roughly $19,000.
Have you gotten any of it?
Nothing. A penny. Not one penny. This was his home, you know.
Ray Devers owns Fight Club Studios. He says Praz used his facility last May to record his latest album.
I've contacted his management team, I've contacted his lawyers, and just stories after stories after stories.
Finally, Praz issued him a check, payment in full.
Gave him the benefit of the doubt, gave me a check, bounced.
Because of insufficient funds.
And I've pretty much tried to dedicate like a month trying to track him down, and no luck.
That may be because Praz travels a lot. His own video blog shows him in Miami at a rooftop party in South Beach.
I've been crazy. I was in Paris shooting a video.
To a shoot in Europe.
Catch me later, people.
Well, we did. Our camera found Praz walking to an event on the campus of his alma mater, Rutgers.
You got a debt there of about $19,000 that hasn't been paid, and a bounce check. Did you know about that?
No, I didn't.
No?
We've been talking to them about it.
Praz told us to talk to Ray from the studio.
No, Ray, we've spoken to Ray. Ray wants us to talk to you. Ray wants us to talk to you and wants to know when he's going to get his money.
Well, you need to speak to my attorney.
When is he going to get his money?
So we called his attorney, who never gave us a reason for the non-payment, but that same day, Fight Club got a down payment, $5,000 from Praz, with the promise of more coming.
If they don't come through, you know how to get us.
I'll come right back to you guys, and Channel 7 is here to help us.
In Chelsea, Tappy Phillips, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
There you go.
Go Tappy.
Don't mess with Tappy.
No. Yo.
Si le 20 mars, cap vini là, élection faite, Michel Martelly pas président.
Ça va être beau les pays.
La boule Non, sérieusement.
Non, ça va être beau les pays.
Non.
Allez, c'est moi pas le bail. Tu n'as pas les droits. Tu n'as pas les droits là, tu n'as pas les droits.
Ok, d'accord, non, liberté, free speech. Mais pour qui soit dit ça?
Peuple là veut un changement. Peuple là veut. Si peuple là va aller, comment est-ce qu'on combat?
Si Michel Martelly n'est pas président,
ça va être beau les pays.
son magou, ils sont.
Yes, on va vous faire. Peuple là va être beau les pays. Où ça va passer? Je vais passer là. Même plus bon tout. Et nous mais qui commence la révolution là, oui. Novembre 28, les Michel va passer. Yo pompé, haïtien pompé pour yo. Michel, c'est Michel qui fait pas faire ça. Pas pour les carreaux. Comment on va passer là?
Ok, on quitte le 28 novembre là, on allait pour 20 mars. Comme journaliste, mettez à hypothétique que l'élection faite, Michel Martelly, ça possible tout. Est-ce que pas comme ça possible tout? C'est l'élection.
Oui, c'est l'élection.
Dans l'élection le 20 mars, il n'est pas président.
Non,
est-ce que
si peuple a choisi Manga, pas gagné.
Nous pas quoi que le peuple a choisi Manga.
Jamais.
Pour qui ça?
Jamais.
Donc pourquoi il choisit ça, frère?
Parce que le monde
voit ça.
Non, comment est-ce qu'on va? Bah ça va pas tomber. Listen,
you feel because we don't
forget about campaign. We can analyze the net position. We get people who can analyze money, gas, c'est la Michel.
All right. What do you have?
What I'm saying to you is, somebody spiritual on you là.
Big grand broker passe ça, big grand pédon, big grand cholet. Big grand broker passe ça, big grand pédon.
On do ça. Ou bien tout pays sur le monde là, right? Ou bon petit pays qui est là ici, qui va dans le monde. Ay, publicité Haïti. Ou que tout blanc de Haïti, ou mes peuples là Haïti, son peine de Haïti. C'est 2 semaines là de la télé. Et tout est ça haïtien mais. Et ça va nous la mais un mouvement ça. Nous passion. Michel vient là ou que Ben Stiller qui parle de Michel. Ou que Sean Penn a parlé de Michel dans même salle là. Ou que Eddie Murphy a parlé de Michel. Ou que Anderson Cooper a parlé de Michel. Son mouvement qui passe à Haïti. Ça va pas Michel. Son mouvement haïtien nous gonçons dans nous men. You have to believe. You want to see to believe. No, man.
On finit avec question à revers. Michel Martelly devient notre président. Qui ça qui a passé?
Oh, Valério. People in Haiti, you got the même system out there. Because we don't have a Republican and Democrat to have a partisanship. People gonna be happy. Let me tell you. And then let me tell you what's gonna happen. Every Haitian, the diaspora out here, they're gonna want to help the country. Because Michel is about dual citizenship.
Okay.
He's about that.
What about that?
He's about healthcare, free healthcare. I mean, free education. You want to do free healthcare, but free education.
Free education. He mentioned free education in all the country.
For everyone.
Everyone. That's going to happen in 5 years.
It's going to happen in 5 years. And in the system he has for that is a great system.
Okay.
Free healthcare at some point. There's another thing.
How about the army? How about the army forces? Are we coming back?
Well, when we say army, we want to create some form of a presence, especially to secure our border. The Dominican Republic has been taking advantage of the border.
Okay.
We need to have
So you have some force.
And that's also that's the employment. You put people at work.
At work. How about the United Nations? The minister that are in here now.
You know what? The minister has to leave by 2012.
You're going to leave in 2012?
Yeah, that's what they're supposed to do.
Okay.
It's in the paper.
But they renew their contract every
They renew it. Let me tell you, they renew it when they don't have a leader that's going to take charge.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying too? But when they see a leader come like Michel, and Michel said, listen, thank you very much. Now, you know what I love about Michel? Do you know in his plan right now, the $14 billion that's pledged for Haiti is not part of his budget.
Yes.
He acts like it doesn't even exist.
Okay.
Because we have to first be able to do for ourselves before we go and get money from somebody else. That's what I love about Michel.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Very well, very well.
It's very important. This guy understands.
Yeah. Now, because we have to go also, before we close, let's, how does the diaspora help you guys? I mean, how can we help Michel Martelly?
Okay. Real quick, listen, I think what we need to do is, we have the best engineers, doctors. The guy who created a new Chrysler body is Haitian.
Right.
The guy who founded Chicago is, The guy who's the president of Nintendo is Haitian. We have to put all our minds and forces to go back down to Haiti and lend our ingenuity and our brain. Okay? But real quick, we're trying to put an event together.
Let's talk about that.
On March around 10 or 11 down in Haiti.
Okay.
It's a big event where Michel's going to address to the people, the whole diaspora.
Okay, very well.
We're going to do it like a...
In Haiti, you said?
No, in Miami.
In Miami. Okay, you said Haiti. Okay, Miami.
We're trying to raise $1 million that day.
That day, okay.
Okay. So we're going to give all the information to everybody. We want to spread it out.
Okay, yes.
Come and support because there's a movement that's happening.
All right.
We need a new image. Labadji.
Yes.
People don't even know that's part of Haiti.
Je sais ainsi, si le 20 mars Michel Martelly pas président, Haïti pas prendre du feu, nous pas t'aveler ça. Nous c'est haïtien.
Pas t'aveler ça. Mais, nous n'avons pas
l'élection. Ça, for sure. Frank Michel, mon cher, merci à pile. Mike, thank you very much. It's a pleasure seeing you again. Thanks for the hooking up here. The prize at $18 million. Well, I don't know. We gotta look into that money again. Just for a joke. Guys, it was a pleasure. Let me tell you, the MBS was so cordial. I feel the vibe. I feel you, Praz. Trust me, I feel you. And I tell you that what we just had here, to you at home, wherever you are over the internet, the people qui ont une sur internet, moi c'est une souhaiter que après l'émission ça, bon bagage qui arrive à Kale. soit que vous prenez une décision en tant qu'haïtien, malheureusement, vous n'avez pas qu'à voter, mais au moins, vous pouvez aller mon macaille. Vous les frères, sœurs, battantes, dire vraiment ça.
Vous êtes calé.
Vous êtes calé.
Numéro 8 là.
Numéro 8 là. Pour un président ou une présidente. N'est-ce pas? Et de Saint-Louis, écoutez l'image. Merci Praz, merci Mike. Bonsoir tout le monde.